There's a lot of suction equipment in the hardscape market today, and at Pave Tool, we have quite a few options. Today I'm going to do a simple overview of the vacuum equipment that Pave Tool has to offer so you can decide exactly what is best for you. Stay tuned to the end of this video for some bonus suction equipment. I want to make this super simple. We're going to break it down into 3 different categories: high flow vacs, compressor assist, battery power pack. The easiest to understand is the battery power pack. This is only for natural stone or non-porous products. It's capable of picking up to 6,000 pounds and runs off a single DeWalt or Milwaukee battery. Now to help you decide, if you're doing large products, large granite, natural stone, the A1 package coupled to your excavator loader, that's really where this unit shines. Yes, it's capable of doing 2-man lifts or even to a T-handle, but I'd say the most popular value, coupled to large equipment, picking large product. Next, we're going to do the high flow vacuums. These can all do porous and non-porous products. Our latest and greatest is called the MVP Paver vac. This runs off a single Milwaukee or DeWalt battery. It literally fits in the palm of your hand. We also offer the VacMax Backpack, which is a corded unit. The MVP, the VacMax are both capable of coupling to a T-handle, 2-man lifts, and a machine package capable of picking up to 700 pounds. We also offer the 200E, a very simple plug-and-play unit capable of picking your large slabs, even some steps. This can be used by hand or coupled to a machine. So in recap, when you're picking porous products, MVP, VacMax, or the 200E. Finally, I want to talk about our air compressor assisted units, which is the HV Venturi and also the inline stone Venturi. These units are great. They're capable of picking up to 6,000 pounds. They can be coupled to a T-handle, 2-man lift, or a machine package. And where these really do shine is with your natural stones, your large flag, your irregular stone, your granites. They really are an amazing product. It's probably your least expensive option when it comes to entry-level vacuum equipment. However, when it comes to porous products, these can work okay, but yet I really do highly recommend going to a high-flow vacuum. You're going to be much happier with that. To make it easy for you, we've created a guide on our website that'll help you navigate exactly what products are best for you. Be sure to click the link below to find it there. So that bonus equipment I was talking about, I want to talk about it now. And that's our vacuum tube lifters, all-rounder, units that get hooked up to a skid steer. It's an amazing piece of equipment. Think about it, the large format products, which are very popular right now, are requiring 2, 3, 4, even 5-man crew to lay these large format product in your setting. This is a unit that allows one individual to literally lay your entire infield, lay the entire thing out, allowing those other 2, 3, 4 guys, even 5 guys to be doing something else. You want to talk about opportunity costs? This is an amazing product. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us or contact your local dealer who carries many of these products. Again, you can check out the link below for further information. Last week, we laid 800 square feet in just 2 hours by pairing vacuum equipment with mechanical clamps. The video is here on the screen. Check it out, and we hope to see you next week. If you're still here, click the video on the screen. That's what most contractors watch next. Look forward to seeing you next Friday for our tip of the week.